been watching a lot of vacuum cleaner in the internet, and I actually saw a lot of brands, but then I settled to this brand, the Powerhouse, because of the price and the capacity. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Safran. I'm a designer. I also love building DIY projects. In today's video, we're going to unbox this product that I bought. I bought this one for the purpose of I'm going to use this one for the future, and also for everyday households. We can also use this one. So we're going to unbox the Powerhouse vacuum cleaner. This one is 1200 watts, 6 gallon, and 220 volts and 60 hertz. This one is also a 3-in-1 vacuum, which it has a vacuum and a blower, and I don't know what's the third one. So but we're going to unbox this one now. So this one is still completely sealed. I bought this one in Shoppee. The store is Buildmate. Actually, soaking na ako sa Buildmate. So I purchased mostly all my power tools at Buildmate, and then this one was delivered with Ninja Van. So first, I'm going to open this one at the top. So when I'm going to put this here. So this one is really wrapped again. Then I inside this box. So as you can see, this one is the brand is Powerhouse. Actually, I've been watching a lot of vacuum cleaner in the internet, and I actually saw a lot of brands, but then I settled to this brand, the Powerhouse, because of the price and the capacity. So talking about the price, if I'm not mistaken, I bought this one for 3,000 something, 3,700 or 500 na. So yeah, there we go. So let's see what's inside this box. Okay, so we have a manual. I see. So the first, we have the other accessories. This one is for the floor or any so this one is a replacement for this top here. So we're going to put this one in the floor, and then we have the hose, the sturdy one. Then we have the flexible one, this one. So it's not that long, but maybe I'll just purchase another longer hose. And then they also have another pipes, accessories. Maybe I see you're going to combine these things to make it longer. Then we have the vacuum itself. So this one is not that big. Okay, so here's the vacuum. We're going to take this item out in this plastic. Actually, it's my first time purchasing this kind of brand, the Powerhouse brand. So first impression, the plastic cover, the plastic material that's been used in this one is actually really good. The power cord, and then now we're going to open this one. Maybe there's something inside because it's a little bit heavy. So don't know how to open this one. Okay. So this is the compartment for the motor, and then the filter. It's actually heavy, so we're going to put this one in here. then so this one is the inside compartment. So the plastic, it's very thick and it's very vibrant. It's color yellow, something somewhere about yellow orange or yellow with a little bit of orange. And then we have the caster wheel. So we have some, so we're going to take this wheel, the wheel outside. There's 4 of them because we can roll this one and then we can use it everywhere we want. We don't need to carry the whole vacuum itself. Then there's some screws, maybe to attach these wheels into this bag. And then this one is another accessories. So that's it. That's what's inside in this box. And then first we're going to combine these wheels with this container. So that's it. I see. So we're going to flip this compartment around and then we're going to install the wheels. So actually there's a screw hole here. So I think that's what is this for. Here you go. Oops. The other side. Wait, I'm going to get my screwdriver. So I have my screwdriver here now and I'm going to tighten this screws. Okay, then the other one. Okay, now we're going to turn this one back. So we're going to put this top compartment in here. So as you can see, this part here is the blower, and then this one probably, or this one should be the suction part or the vacuum part. So we're going to try this thing now, and we're going to use this hose here, and we're going to combine every accessories that we have here, and we'll see. Okay, and then we're going to turn this one on and we'll see if this thing really sucks. So we're going to test this one. So this vacuum cleaner really sucks. Literally. This one is really nice because it's my first time buying this kind of brand, and then the build quality is really sturdy. I don't know what kind of plastic is this one, but then it's really I'm really surprised about the quality, and also I really love this thing now because mostly if we're cleaning or we're just using some broom, and now we are going to we can use this one now for sucking some dust, and so I'm really happy, and I'm going to use this one for my future DIY projects, or I've been wanting this kind of tools in my shop or in my studio. I'm going to use this one for some sawdust because I'm using circular saw and then convert it into a table saw and jigsaw, and so there's a lot of wood chips and wood dust, so it's really hard for me to just broom everything. This really makes my life easier. I'm going to use this one for my future projects, and I'm also going to incorporate some other accessories with this one, and I'm going to DIY something for DIY cycle separator. So I think that's it for this video. I hope you like this unboxing and review for this Powerhouse 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. And if you like this kind of video, please hitting the like button, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot, and then that would really help my channel grow. So thank you for watching, and see you next time in DIY Architect.